Hey, this is Clayton King, sales engineer for Innovative-IDM down in the Austin, San Antonio area. Just want to shoot you a quick video today to go over some of the services we provide and take a closer look at some pneumatic components from one of our core lines. So Innovative-IDM has a couple ways that we can service our customers. We've got an engineering group, contract manufacturing, a field service group to help you get back up and running. We also have a board repair group for industrial electronics and our parts distribution. But today we're going to look into some pneumatic components from one of our core lines, SMC. So let's hop right in.
These are the SY series valves from SMC. This series was developed to incorporate several of the SMC valve products into one series, making it their flagship series for 5-port pilot-operated valves. It combines features from the SV, SX, VQ, and VQC style valves. The SY is available in rubber and metal seal spool options. The rubber seal provides a 70 million cycle life, while the metal can go up to 200 million cycles. You can manually operate the valve using the AB slide locking manual override with an easy way to indicate the on and off state. Pushing the override until it stops locks it in position. Push the indicator back to remove the actuation. The aluminum manifolds are available in side porting, bottom porting, and top porting options. The SY has plug-in electrical service through the D-sub connector along with several other connector options. The manifolds are quick to assemble and easy to configure, being held together by metal tie rods. Adding additional stations is incredibly easy, and you can have mixed manifold configurations. Here we see that this manifold has SY5000 and SY3000 valves on the same manifold. This allows for more robust configurations.
These are incredibly versatile valves that can be used for an array of applications. They're easy to use, easy to replace, and easy to expand if needed. From simple applications to complex systems, we're confident that SMC and Innovative-IDM have you covered. So optimize your airflow today and check out our website right here. Thanks so much and have a great day.